Are they better than the Clarity?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a hot
Yes.
topic. We want you to be able to visit Cacapon again. We do this in the middle of the week because we're cheap and we're smart.
We're glamping.
And
Pillowcases.
2 dream case pillowcases for your non-existent dream case pillows that you didn't order. All right, here she is. We're ready to take off, and the ice is slippery, but it's above freezing today, so looking pretty good. 818 Cacapon Lodge Drive, 5:50 p.m., 2 hours, 12 minutes. We made it past 25 minutes of traffic in our own neighborhood. I guess we picked the wrong time to go because the kids were getting off of school, and we have 73% battery right now. I've already made it to the top of the mountain. We've got 112 miles to go. Today is a special day though because we're camping in the Tesla for the first time. Don't know how it's gonna work. But we're in for a journey. Stick around.
Hey! Smash the like button!
Thank you. Alright, so since this is an impromptu trip, we are going to do some investigation. I am going to press the button. Take me to the nearest supercharger. You want to try that Lavale and just go ahead and do it? And the most important part is preconditioning the battery for fast charge. So on this part of 68, it looks like there's the Cornucopia Cafe, which I want to visit, but unfortunately it doesn't open until Thursday. We do this in the middle of the week because we're cheap and we're smart. And there's also a lodge, but it looks like you have to be a visitor of the lodge and a paying customer, which is totally legit to be able to supercharge. So those are our other 2 stops. We chose to just supercharge and get it over with. Right now, 56%. 183 miles remaining on the battery, and we're still about an hour and a half away from our destination. All right, so we've been in the car for an hour and change, hour and a half. We've taken many trips in the Honda Clarity. Give me a breakdown on the seats.
Oh, they're very comfortable. I turned on my seat heater.
Are they better than the Clarity?
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a hot
Yes.
topic. It's a topic of discussion on the channel. My report is that I don't feel like I've driven at all. And I could do this all day, kind of Captain America style. I'm really, really happy with the comfort level of the seats, and you are the same?
Oh yeah, my back doesn't hurt at all. Feels very comfortable.
There we go. Back to charging. Okay, so this is probably the first time I've seen it since the update, but now I have 0 dots on my regen because it's been cold. Your regen is limited depending on the temperature of the batteries, and right now I've finally gotten all my regen back. So, great. Okay, I have no idea how bright this is, and you probably can't see me, but wait a minute. Ooh, it's like a ghost story. So we just passed a rest area, and the thought is, what if they just put a DC fast charger and one level 2 at every rest area on the entire interstate network. Wouldn't that just solve all the charging problems? Let me know in the comments. Let's see. We're talking. We're clicking. We're charging. All right, so the seat scooted up. Connie says, how do we lower the seats? Well, come over here and do it.
Do I just pull it?
Pull it. Pull it.
Oh gosh, that was easy.
First time trying it. Test camp. I wanted the dream case, but this is what we ended up with. Here's a set of sheets, it looks like. Looks like these slide out. Next, I think we have to build the bed. You hold the camera, I'll build the bed. This will be a 3-part mini-series. That's one. And here's this. Let's build a better bed. Maybe I've got it backwards. This is real life, people. I don't know how to build a bed when you get there. You gotta learn. This is probably where you put the very tip top.
Here we go.
All right, we've done it. All right, the bed. That was the bed.
Okay.
Very good.
Sheets.
I really wanted the dream case. I wanted it so bad that I bought the sheets. They were very confused because they didn't see any orders of the dream case itself for me. Oh my. These are some high quality deals here. And
Pillowcases.
2 dream case pillowcases
Give me a
for your
pillowcase.
non-existent dream case pillow that you didn't order. Oh yeah, baby.
Silky. Nice.
Yeah, it's real nice. All right, so now we'll make the bed.
We're glamping.
Bed is made. Alright, so we had our glamping dinner and our glamping camping charge. We're now all the way to 79%. And we're heading to our undisclosed location for camping. The undisclosure is for your safety. And we want you to be able to visit Cacapon again. Let's get back on the road. Destination. and it's time to camp. 20 degrees out. Okay, we're officially camping. That is the screen of the car. I'm sure you can't tell because there's no context because we're in the middle of nowhere. But here we are, we're camping. I'm fully stretched out. I'm all the way stretched out. I got my feet straight in the back. I'm using the full extent. I'd say over 6'0", do not attempt. And we'll see you in the morning.